In the last video, we added the long answer text box and the submit button.
In this video, we will add the CSS to the form. To add the CSS to the body in form CSS, we will add a body with curly brackets. And inside the two curly brackets, we will add background color. And it will be hashtag BFD 7FF. Next, we will add the padding for the top. Padding top 10 pixels. Then we will add a font family. We will add Verdana, Javina, and Tahoma and sans serif. Now we end the curly brackets.
Now that we have our body CSS, let's add our CSS to everything within the class of form. Remember we added a class of form to everything? Now we are going to style it. Under the curly braces, add .form. Then add another set of curly braces. In between those, you will put width, 40%. Then we will add height, 90%. Then we will add background : hashtag F 6 Fs. Good. Now under that we will add padding -top of 10 pixels. And we will add a border -radius of 25 pixels.
Now we have to style one last thing. That is the label and the input elements. To style the label and input elements, add label, comma, input. Another set of curly brackets. We will add display table cell. Next, we will add a margin for the bottom and put 10 pixels. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to add the final page. The page the form goes to when you click the submit button.